Oh, poor Sophie.
Oh, that's terrible. Come here, you poor pathetic little thing.
Oh, look at
Now
her.
where's your paw? Where'd it go now? How are you going to do this outdoors if you can't even do it in the living room? You've got to tuck this back somehow. Here, how's that? Now you can see. Oh, fix the ear. All right. You can do this. Come here. Get this toy. Come here, Sophie. I think she's content to stay right there forever.
Yeah.
I'm just never going to move. As long as I'm in this retarded straitjacket, I'm never going anywhere. Oh, Hank, that's how you felt when we put a coat on you the first time, didn't you? And Lucy, she doesn't like her coats either. She takes her sweaters off all the time. Okay, come on. You gotta move. Yep. Come here. Come on. Move, 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 move. There you go. It fits. I mean, I don't think I could have gotten a smaller size.
She is not having fun.
No.
Put the hood back on her. At least she was moving then.
Poor little thing.
Oh. Sophie! Sophie! Sophie, Sophie! Come here, baby girl. She's got her foot pulled halfway out again.
Oh, she fixed it!
Yeah, she
Good.
did.
Good job, you got it, Soph. Come here. Come here, Sophie.
Ooh,
It's to
Sophie.
keep her warm. She can't go outside. She will not go outside because it's so cold. I mean, I wasn't trying to be mean.
She's probably like,
I got her the four-legged one so she could keep it on because I was thinking if it was one of those little ones like Lucy has, she'd be out of it in a second.
I left the hood off. When she tries to walk, she can't.
I haven't figured that out yet.
Because she has to bend her legs to walk.
Bring her back over this way. Oh, she got it torn open.